In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hotmail inbox using the Hotmail web interface. Whether you're accessing your email for personal, professional, or any other reason, knowing how to navigate your inbox efficiently is crucial. Let's walk through this process step by step to ensure you can effortlessly stay on top of your emails. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the Outlook login page. This is the entryway to accessing your Hotmail account, as Hotmail is now managed through Outlook's web platform by Microsoft. Make sure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during this process. Once you've arrived at the Outlook login page, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the interface. You'll see an option that says Sign In. Go ahead and click on that Sign In button. This is where you'll provide your login credentials to access your account. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Be sure to input these details carefully. If you encounter any issues with logging in, double check your spelling and ensure that caps lock is not accidentally on. It's important to maintain the confidentiality of your password for your online security. After successfully entering your credentials, you'll be redirected to Outlook's homepage. This is where you'll get a broader view of your email setup. Before diving into your inbox, take note of the navigation pane on the left-hand side. It provides various options that you might find useful to explore in the future. Next, go ahead and click on the Home button if you're not already there. This step ensures you're in the optimal spot to access your email folders. Once you find yourself on the home page, navigate to the left sidebar once more, where you'll see a list of folders. Look for the Inbox option, generally located at the top of this list. Clicking on Inbox will open up your mailbox, displaying all the emails you've received. Here you can browse through your emails, open any messages you wish to read, or sort through them as needed. This is the hub for your communication, offering you a snapshot of your latest correspondences and any unread messages. And there you have it, you're now in your Hotmail inbox, ready to read and manage your emails. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these navigation steps can save you time in the future and make your email experience smoother. Try bookmarking the Outlook login page for quicker access next time you want to check your emails. Should you encounter any unusual issues or have forgotten your password, remember that there are support options available to assist you in recovering account access. Enjoy a more streamlined email experience with your newfound navigation skills.